Today we're going over water heaters. This is your electric water heater and your gas water heater. They do have some common components. Here is your inlet and outlet, your TMP valve, which releases pressure, your tank, your dip tube, which pushes the water to the bottom, and your anode rod, which reduces corrosion. There are three specific electrical components. We've got your wiring junction box that connects to the breaker for power. You've got your thermostat, which controls the on and off for your heating elements, and you've got your heating element that heats the water. And here is an element. On a gas water heater, you have three major components. You've got your control valve, your burner assembly, which should only be serviced by a professional, and your exhaust.